Good morning mga igat, this is Sheena, your visa DIY buddy and your friendly guide for PH immigration.
Ma'am, ask ko lang po, need po ba talaga kumuha agad ng insurance kahit wala pa visa? Ho! Yung anak ko, ang kulit-kulit. Anyways, opo, kailangan po ng insurance pag mag-a-apply pa ng visa kasi if wala kang insurance, denied ka sa application mo. May ibang officers na they are strict, unting papeles lang na wala, unting detalye lang na mali, denied ka kaagad. Iba din naman na they will gonna ask you, they will gonna send email, or they will gonna call you, pero para naman at peace ka. At para din naman po yan sa'yo, make sure din na yung travel insurance na kukunin nyo is accepted sa country na pupuntahan nyo. Kasi kung hindi, uulit kayo. Or ganun pa din, denied. Yung worries natin if kukuha tayo ng travel insurance is, ito yung pinakauna, what if ma-denied? Ano mangyayari sa travel insurance? If ma-denied ka, or if worries mo is about what if mag-change ng date? Yung flight, hindi pala the same. You can always change yung date sa travel insurance. Inform mo din ahead yung travel agency, travel insurance company, or travel insurance agency, if may mga changes sa date. So again, make sure natanggap yung travel insurance na kukunin nyo at talagang importante siya. Have a good day!